Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Jordan Series ES. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in our comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today, we've got a look at the Jordan Series ES. We've got this in a white university red grey font colorway. In the UK, size 7.5. It's a European 42. And it's a US 8.5. So this is a bit different. This is quite the lifestyle shoe from Jordan, and it's weird because Jordan brand, I've never seen a cup sole from them, so it's very easy to look at. And if you're looking for a white on white sneaker, something really easy to wear, this might be it. Here they are. Cool. So here it is, quite plain, very simple, very minimalistic sneaker. Apparently these were based on Jordan's battles with his older brother Larry in the backyard, and you know, you've got loads of personal quotes from Larry himself, and I guess trash talking from both Jordan and his brother Larry. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole in this red colorway. It looks like the Air Jordan 1 traction patterning. You can see the circular motion there and there. And there's two messages here. So at the right hand side it says there was never any doubt, and left it says it went down in the backyard. So just to highlight that him and his brother were very competitive when it came to playing basketball in their backyard, and you know, it stuck with Jordan himself. And you got 45-2. I think that might have been, I'm not sure what a 45-2 is. If you know, in the comments, let us know. But I think this is maybe one of the reasons why Jordan picked number 45 when he came back, obviously because 23 was retired. But yeah, so again, this is just a rubber cup sole unit that makes the midsole. Pretty bog standard feature, but you've got the Jordan Jumpman in the grey. You can see it right there at the side. The upper is made out of a white leather all around the sneaker. You can see it here, perforation all over the gaff as well. And at the lateral side it says Jordan Series. You can see all the perforation holes there for the breathing. Tongue nicely padded. You got Jordan Series with the Jumpman logo right there. It's a flat lacing system. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with another pair of laces, so you have to make do with the white. At the heel, again, not much else to say. You got the white levers, ankle support very nicely padded, and at the inside you got swing for the fence, which is apparently something Larry would say to Michael when they were younger. Got the Jumpman logo on the left hand side as well. That rounds off my review. Pretty simple sneaker. I've never thought I'd see anything like this from Jordan brands. To be fair, from memory serves me right, I do think that there is a formal Jordan brand shoe. Could be wrong, but this is a very non-Jordan, you know, when it comes to us here at Oneupreviewz, we review basketball Jordans, sneakers, and retro Jordan sneakers as well. But this is quite refreshing. If you're looking for a plain white sneaker, maybe this is it. We'll let you know when we show you the on feet. So roll that footage of me trying these on. comes to the size, guys, I recommend you get half size below to what you usually wear for Jordan. This feels a bit wide for me. I mean, my toes are there, they're not at the end, which I like. However, it does feel wide, and it's like, I can feel like my heel is slipping a bit. And again, it feels a bit wide for some sneakers that I usually wear. However, they look dope on. They do kind of look like any other rubber cup sole that you can get in the market. However, if I was to do this, people might think I've got a pair of red bottoms on. There is a jump man, but you know, looks like I've got some high-end shoes. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.